Hello everyone. Welcome back to another exciting Figma design. Let's create settings, gear icon design in Figma using Ellipse and Shape Builder, online vector graphic editor and prototyping tool. Draw circle 800 by 800 dimensions using Ellipse. Use stroke and remove fill. Copy and paste here. Change dimensions to 180 by 180. Align vertically and horizontally and diagonally, along with the circle. Select object, right-click, flatten them. Select all and go to Shape Builder, press shortcut key equals M. Click on Object, create shape. To deselect, press Alt plus click. Now, select object. Change stroke weight to 35. Finally, draw inner circle 250 by 250 dimensions. Use stroke and remove fill, and change the stroke weight equals 35. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more creative videos.